Welcome to my tutorial. Electronics Made Simple. Part 4. Continued from last part. Integrated Circuit, IC. An integrated circuit, known as IC, is a compact device of an electronic system made up of a combination of electronic components. Very large types of electronic devices require several components to perform their operation. In addition, it requires a lot of space to accommodate these components. Integrated circuits are used to make this easier and reduce space consumption. IC is a silicon chip made of a combination of active components such as transistors and diodes, and passive components such as resistors and capacitors. Combination of active components such as transistors and diodes. Passive components such as resistors and capacitors. ICs are much more efficient and effective than other electronic circuits because they do not use wires and soldering to connect components to the circuit board. Compare the difference. Normal electronic circuit, integrated circuit. All the functions of the ICs are carried out through the gates, known as logic gates. These gates are 100 times more efficient than transistors. Approximately 10,000 components can be integrated into one small IC chip. Different types of IC gates are shown here. NOR, OR, and NAND. Exclusive OR. Exclusive NOR. Buffer. Inverter. IC gates, and how they operate in a circuit, are essential in the study of basic electronics. In addition, knowledge of IC gates is important for the design of printed circuit boards. Here I will explain how gates work in different types of circuits. Before understanding the different types of digital gates and their functionality, you need to know what digital is. Lessons about digital and the function of the gates are included in the next parts. This is the end of part 4. Different gates and functions of IC are detailed in the next part. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to get new videos and updates.